son was 11 months old. He's 10
11
now.
months?
11 months, yes. And she chose to pursue her career.
Wait a minute, I got hung up. You said...
All right, guys, buckle up. This case is about sacrifice, ambition, and accountability. We've got a father who's been holding it down for 10 years while the mother chased her career. But today, the courtroom is about to decide if dreams excuse responsibility. Trust me, this one's going to hit hard.
11 months
11
and he's
months.
10 years old now?
He's 10 years old now. She chose her career over being a parent, although she wanted to be a parent, and left me with the child. It's been hard. I do what I can do. I take care of our son. She's still chasing her dreams. Nothing wrong with that, but she did decide to have a child, and I just want to know what happened, some kind of financial compensation if she's chasing her dreams and making all the money she wants to make. Maybe she can just throw some money.
Right here, the father's frustration spills out. He's done the parenting alone for a decade. Notice how he frames it. Not just about money, but about being both mom and dad. And honestly, shouldn't there be compensation when one parent completely steps out? What do you guys think, fair or not?
The reason that you have not paid this man child support, he's been having your son for 10 years.
He said throw some money their way. What that mean? Throw some money their way?
Would you clarify for her
Well,
what you mean by that,
Well, if she doesn't want
sir?
to be in his life and be around and be a mother, and I have to be the father and the mother, then maybe I should be compensated for being the father and the mother.
You mean by her paying?
The judge cuts straight to the heart. Why hasn't she paid support in 10 years? Think about that. 10 years of zero contribution, while making over $85,000 a year. If you were in the father's shoes, would you be calm or furious?
Isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it is. We'll get to the money part in just a minute in terms of calculations, because this child has been with him for a long time, and to go without any sort of financial assistance, and based on what you've turned in, you've made money and you have not given anything to him for your child.
Here's where the mother's defense crumbles. She admits to earning serious money, but still claims she's been throwing money their way. That phrase says it all. Random, inconsistent, not structured. The law doesn't care about throwing money. It cares about obligations.
Ma'am,
Well,
please.
it's hard to find a job and take care of a kid.
What kind of career does she have?
She's an esthetician.
Okay.
Eyelashes, taking care of people's eyelashes.
Okay.
She makes pretty good money at it, actually. She's good at her job.
And
Okay.
she
I would
work
give her
hard
that.
for it too.
However,
Ma'am.
diapers and...
Excuse me, sir. All this extra and this attitude, I'm the only person that can have an attitude in here, okay? Yes, it's right. So I'm going to need you.
The mother reveals she's an esthetician making good money. Nothing wrong with profession. But the judge clearly isn't having her excuses. Watch the tone shift as the judge demands respect and control in the courtroom. Authority is reestablished in seconds.
My own. However, I can't go back to school and take care of our son and have a job and run a business. Is very hard, and
I imagine so.
it is.
I imagine so. What type of expenses does your son have?
He has normal childhood expenses, food.
Is he involved in extracurricular activities?
Yes, he likes to read. He likes games. I like to keep him with electronics and things, to spark his interest.
What type of extracurricular activities?
He
does
likes
do?
go-karts, motorcycles. He likes race cars, train sets, video games. He likes going out to the park, going to the lake, and all that.
Ma'am, do you hear all of that? All of that.
This father lays it bare. He's refusing government aid. Try to raise a son while juggling school and work. And the list of activities? Go-karts, video games, books. It's a child being raised with love, not just survival. Isn't that the kind of parent we should be uplifting?
Raising you all's child, and you're not doing anything consistently. So we're going to make that change.
According to him, though, right?
I want to see you do the same. After I finish
According
with
to
these
him,
calculations. Okay. So, who carries health insurance?
Currently.
Obviously not him.
Do you carry it? Do you carry health insurance for the child?
Ask him.
Do you carry
You
health
seem to be the
insurance
one
for
with all
the
the information.
ma'am?
Well, see,
You know,
that's
you-
that's the problem. I have a hard time communicating with her. Communication.
I'm having a hard time communicating with her, so I can't even
communication,
imagine.
The judge zeroes in. Consistency is the issue. The child lives with the father, period. So whether he has a job or not doesn't matter. The custodial parent is carrying the real weight. This moment shows how the law prioritizes responsibility over excuses.
For the
Well,
child.
the health insurance, it's kind of hard right now.
So he doesn't have any health
He has no
insurance
health
coverage
insurance,
right
no,
now.
He has no health insurance.
Lord, please.
So we're going to fix that right now. So according to your own testimony and your tax returns and your 1099s, it does
When the father says the child wonders why mom isn't around, it's heartbreaking. Beyond money, there's an emotional toll here. Kids don't understand career versus parenting. They just know absence. And that absence speaks louder than any paycheck.
is order you to pay child support. Based on your gross, it comes out to $7,083.33. And right now, the child isn't covered on any sort of health insurance coverage. So you're also going to be responsible for obtaining health insurance for the child. Okay, and I'm going to order you to do that within 30 days. That's
Boom! The ruling lands. $7,083 gross obligation calculated, plus mandatory health insurance within 30 days. This isn't just math. It's the court forcing accountability after a decade of silence. Notice how fast the tone shifted from excuses to cold, hard numbers.
sense. And I'm also going to order you pay back support to this man. He requested in his paperwork that you pay back support to him. It's known as retroactive child support. In Texas, it can go back the last 4 years. So in calculating what your monthly child support obligation should be for the past 4 years, child support back pay is $33,541.44.
Retroactive support. Over $33,000 owed. This is a law saying you don't get to skip out on the past. 4 years of back pay and a $1,000 monthly repayment plan. The courtroom just dropped a financial hammer. But do you think it's enough?
$198.78 for a child support obligation. Any questions about that?
As long as he get a job and stop living off of me.
You know what, ma'am? He can't be living off of you if you haven't given him anything consistently.
That's according to him.
Okay, well, you haven't provided me with anything different.
And here's the irony. The mother accuses the father of living off her when she hasn't paid a dime. The judge checks her instantly. This is one of those jaw-drop moments where arrogance collides with reality. Tell me, were you shaking your head here too?
To help support him, then maybe I can go off and further my education and be a better father and mother.
Sounds good to me. So, if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
And just like that, case closed. The father walks away with support, retroactive pay, and maybe, finally, the chance to breathe. But the emotional scars? Those don't vanish with a court order. If this case stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.